are in here. Ricky says he's my biggest fan. I love it. But we'll get this thing started. It's already 9:30 here, so we'll get going here. Hopefully we can hit some big stuff, and good luck to everybody. And got some cards coming in. I'll try to save the 3 autos last. We'll see where they are. Usually they're either the 3rd or 4th pack, as we know how draft works. And let's do it. 2019 Bowman draft. All right. Here we go. Move this back a little bit. And pack 1. Good luck, everybody. See some big color. Let's see some big autos. Let's do it. All right, paper first. Beatty, super. Imagine. All right, Julio. We got a purple paper possibly coming up. McConnell first. Kalenic. Michael Bush first. Cody Hose first. Greg Jones first Bowman. Hunter Bishop. McCain. Sanford. Garcia. Nunez. Corey Lee. Will Wilson. There's a first Adley, first pack. I'll be there in 5 hours. There you go. Adley Rutschman. Magnum. Cameron Cannon first. Jones. Ryan Nelson first. Logan Gilbert. Callahan. Tyler Callahan refractor. Our purple is a Mackenzie Gore. Mackenzie Gore purple out of 250 paper for the Padres. Padres are Greg. 5-hour flight. There you go. Reyes refractor. Nick Lodolo draft pick breakdown. Golden and Isbell. Super would be awesome. All right, let's keep going with the tops for now. Papers. I'm going to probably fly through the paper. George Kirby first. Try to point out the first. Cavaco. Lodolo. Stinson. Jamison. Valdez. Williams. McRae. Noah Song. Shea Langoliers first for the Braves. Lewis. Brett Beatty, first Bowman paper. Dillard, Jensen, and Dunning. Jake Sanford, Garcia, Devers, Phillip, first Bowman refractor. Hicklin refractor. Progression, Madrigal, Vaughn, and Berger. We have a Josh Young, Texas Rangers insert, Seth Beer, and a Packard. Not the Tiger we want to see. I got a feeling this box is going to have something pretty good in it. I mean, I don't think we've ever hit a Riley Green auto, so there's a possibility. We got a light blue coming up. Possibility we do that tonight. Prado, Kowakanitz, that's how I say it. Not even close. Loki, Fitzgerald, and Logan Watt. Julio again, McConnell, Kalenic, we've seen this pack before. Nelson, Alec Marsh, Yang, Baylor, Weathers, I don't know about walking. It's pretty cold out here. It's pretty cold. Sanford and Garcia. Quinn Priester first. Sigler, Davidson, Garcia. Our blue is a first. Glenn Allen Hill Jr. Sky blue first for the D-backs. D-backs going to Cost Cards. Grant McCray and Glenn Allen Hill Jr. Refractor. D-backs, what a pack. There you go. Draft progression with India and Lodolo. Kawar and Evan Edwards. All right. Ooh, this pack did not want to rip. Got a good feeling about this one now. Definitely got something. This might be our auto. Let me check these other packs here. This might be our auto. Seems thicker. Might just be a chrome color. Want to double check here. I believe these are our autos. So we'll keep those two there. I believe we might have a black auto. I think we have a black auto, ladies and gentlemen. I do believe we have a black auto. So I'm going to keep that one there because that is also chrome. It did look black. I'm going to check this pack because if this does not have a hit in it, it does. But that's definitely just color. All right. So we'll do these two. I think the second row is going to be our autos. We will find out quickly, though. Varsho Chrome, Toglia first, Deathridge. 19 is fire. It really is. Black is out of 75, I think. Miller, Doxicus, Libertor, Driscoll, Ornelius, Lewis, Fernandez, Wazinski, Kowar, Edwards, Siani, not a bad one. Walston, J.J. Blade, Rivera, Quintana, Groshans, Schultz, Callahan, Smith, Lewis, Philip Amaya. Weathers, Hankins. Our refractors are Royce Lewis for the Twins. Greg Jones, that's not bad for the Rays. We have an insert franchise futures for the D-backs. And our sky blue is Dane Dunning. Sky blue. Let me actually put the hits aside so I can sleeve them up afterwards. Got 3 colored cards so far, 2 paper, and a sky blue. All right, so we got a green coming here. Haven't hit a green yet, a Riley green that is. Driscoll, Ornelius, Fletcher. Let's see, Hines, India, Alec Manoah, Matt Gorski. If there's 2 blacks, there's a possibility of a 1 of 1. But we will see. Corey Lee first. Wilson. Alejandro Kirk. Williams. And McCann refractors. J.J. Blade draft pick breakdown in our green paper first. Eric Miller. 54 of 99. Eric Miller. All right. Getting a lot of color. 3 paper colors already out of this box, and we're this is going to be halfway point after this pack. So we got more color. We got a blue coming up, blue chrome coming. A lot of color out of this box. This is crazy. Yeah, wrong Philly, that's for sure. Siani, Walston, Michael Bush paper, Cody Hose first again. Greg Jones. We've seen this pack, guys. We've seen it. There we go. We haven't seen one of this, though. Riley Green, first Bowman. Glenn Allen Hill. Williamson, 2 back-to-back decents. Nice Riley Green, though. Corey Lee. Wilson. Adley again. Nice Adley. Quinn Priester. Gunnar Henderson. Ian Anderson. Jimenez refractor. A Williamson refractor, not bad. This is a blue wave. Ooh. I think this might be an auto. I think this is an auto. Interesting. I think that's an auto right there. I saw a little bit of white on the bottom. A little bit of white there. Got a sky blue coming up. It's hard to tell, but I think I did see some white. Shea Langoliers, progression. Cavaco first. Lodolo first. Yeah, this box is pretty good. Andrew Vaughn first. There we go. Hitting the big firsts, or hitting a lot of color. I think this is the most color I've seen in a box so far. We're halfway through. JJ Bleday, Rivera, Allen, Mercer, Noah Song refractor, Kissinger refractor, and Sky Blue Royce Lewis. I feel like we've hit a Royce Lewis colored already, did we not? Maybe not. Sky Blue Royce Lewis. All right, so we might have our 3 autos out already. Andrew Vaughn on the back. We have a speckle, it looks like. Florial, Ethan Small, Kelly, Miller, Samaka, Small again. Toglia, Packard, another Andrew Vaughn that we did see. Michael Massey, Wallner, Malone, Espino, Agnos. All right. No big chromes yet. Let's heat up with chromes. Eric Yang, Baylor refractors, Josh Smith, and Clark Schmidt, 2 Yankees. Progression of Nolan Gorman. And our speckle. First for the Indians, Carrillo. Christian Carrillo. All right. 2 packs, and I think Toglia for the blue. I mean, we got a black base and a blue, I think. And if those are all of our autos, oh. That's interesting. Draft breakdown is thick. Are these numbered? I think maybe out of like 150 or something like that. We'll see. Lewis, Wasinski, Josh Jung first, Carrillo, Johnson, Caterino, Baum, Tim Tebow. Gotta love Tim Tebow. Head, Wander, Fitterer, C.J. Abrams, Corbin Carroll. There's a Carroll for you. D-backs. Thompson, Missner, Cameron Cannon, Adley. There we go. Adley Chrome, Magnum, Martinez refractor, and oh boy, do it. Do it to us. Do it to us. Riley Green refractor. First Bowman. There we go. There we go. And she looks pretty clean too. That's a nice one. It's leaving this bad boy right away. There we go. We're heating up again, boys. Let me sleeve this one up right away. I saw the stance. I knew it was him. Very nice. Very clean looking. Riley. There we go. All right. What do we got here? Just a refractor out of 250. There we go. What a pack. 92 of 250. Andrew Vaughn, number 3, draft pick breakdown. Going to the White Sox. Let's see. White Sox BCC 7. Who had the Tigers? Cost cards. You guys are hitting. Sleeve it now. Yes, sir. Good hits. All right. Last pack, I believe, and then we'll get to our 3 autos. I'll do the middle one first. That looks to be a base. And then I will go probably blue. Ooh. Maybe a gold? Couldn't tell. I think it's just the insert here. All right. George Kirby, first Bowman. Kissinger, Campbell, Kelly, Sukiyama, Henderson, Wolf, Stowers, Allen, Mercer, Massey. Wolf again, but chrome. Robinson, Stowers again, but chrome. Seeing a trend here. Grant Levine and a Matty O'Gill and a Gunnar Henderson Adley. Franchise favorites. All right. So it does look like we have a black and a blue auto. We're going to go with the base, I believe this is. It looks to be a base auto. Wow. We are heating up. How about an Andrew Vaughn first Bowman? Chrome. Vaughn chrome. Let's leave that one up as well. Nice Vaughn. All right. Get those predictions in. Who are we seeing in the blue and black autos? Henry, Brown, Beard. Sometimes if you write it, it comes true. Skunk. I saw a Stott in there. Fletcher, Matthew Lugo, Lipkiss, Smith, Johnson, Ortiz, Nunez, Ornelius, our refractors, Amaya, and Hunter Bishop. First auto of the box. Going to the Red Sox, we all know who this is. Noah Song. Noah Song on card auto. Looks pretty clean for the Red Sox. Greg. Noah Song. You hate to see the pitcher autos. You hate to see it. All right. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how he does. I wouldn't say he's a nobody, that's for sure. But, all right, so we're going to go with the blue wave first. Just catching up on some sleeving. So we got the blue wave here, and then we got the black auto there. We'll go blue wave because I've already gotten down to the actual auto. And then we'll go with that. Let me get these organized a little bit. All right, let's go blue. All right, blue wave auto. It is a first Bowman. For the Rockies, first baseman for the Rockies. And he guessed it. Ricky with the guess. Michael Toglia. 113 of 150. Grim. Good guess, Ricky. I do remember you saying Toglia. Good call on that one. Good call on that one. Now just say Riley Green. Say a big name for the black so it comes true. That's all you got to do. Let's put it into perspective here. Let's see a big black. Blade. All right, he says Blade first. All right, let me just finish sleeving these up real quick, and then we'll get to that auto. Let you guys sit in it real quickly. Got 2 more to sleeve, and we're good. I think Toglia is pretty good, yeah. I like Toglia. All right, here we go. Last auto, black auto. Kelly. Riley Green paper. Williamson, Hill Jr., Kessinger, Campbell, Steer, Golden, and Isbell. Going full reveal too. Priester, Sigler, Davidson, Garcia, Henderson, Anderson, Wolf, Stowers, Allen, Alec Marsh, Chrome, Newton, our refractors, Brickhouse, and Cody Hose. Not bad for the Dodgers. Cody Hose, refractor. All right, moment of truth, everybody. Good luck to everybody. Let's see something big here. Let's see something big. Let's see a first. Let's see something big. Ooh. Shoebox. Twins. It's the Twins. Thought it was the Phillies at first. Twins, Grimm. It is a first for the Twins. Damn. It is a pitcher. Matt Cantorino. Matt Cantorino for the Twins. Matt Cantorino for the Twins. Going to Grimm. All right, we'll do a quick little recap. Obviously, we have a lot of firsts that I did not sleeve up. I think we got all the big guys. But here we go. We got an Eric Miller out of 99 for the Phillies. Mackenzie Gore out of 250 paper for the Padres. Hill Jr. for the D-backs, 499 Sky Blue. Carrillo, Speckle first for the Indians. Andrew Vaughn out of 250 for the White Sox. Vaughn Chrome as well. The nice refractor Riley Green for the Tigers. Noah Song auto for the Red Sox. Cantorino out of 75 black auto for the Twins. And the nice Blue Wave Michael Toglia for the Rockies. So I appreciate everybody for joining. Wish the auto could have been a bit bigger, but that's what happens with Bowman drafts sometimes. But overall, I think we hit a pretty big box with first and everything like that. So congrats to everybody. Thanks for joining, and we will see you in the next one.